Now guys, this is my pan bro. This is my pan bro. I just joined in the lobby. Guys. And here's him. Here's Happy bro. She said, look at this guys. Now, this is my pancake now guys. So this is it. Now, I'm gonna stay here. Now guys, I'll say this.
Joey Bowl.
Now guys, that's what I say bro. Because I'm not even fine. Now guys, here's him. I'm gonna screenshot them. I'm gonna take it. Now here's him. Now I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna find him. Here's him guys. I'm a screenshot him. So sabi ng me too. Now there's this is my screenshot guys. Can you see my screenshot guys? I'm gonna say done. Innocent. Now guys, I'm gonna say sige, kakalawa ko oh. Patayin mo. Uy. Now guys, here's him. I think she's murdered. Now guys, this is him bro. I'm happy bro. Oh my gosh.